Hi, I'm Dr. Cindy Haynes of Health Day TV, making news this week, making sense of puzzling pills, a health threat lurking on musical instruments, and an important deadline for new moms. First up, the directions for when to take a prescription medication aren't always easy to understand. People using several drugs may really have trouble taking their pills on time. In a recent study, older adults were shown 7 drugs, each of which needed to be taken at certain times. It was possible to take all the medicines at 4 times during the day. However, only about 15% of the people figured out how to take them on this simple schedule. The National Institutes of Health suggests that older people consider organizing their medicines by day and time in multi-day dispensers. Moving on. Some of the biggest fans of brass and woodwind instruments may be invisible. In a new study, researchers visited a high school band to take samples from 13 of these instruments. Most hadn't been played in at least a month. The researchers found many types of bacteria and fungi on the instruments. Their numbers were especially high around the mouthpiece, but the germs were also lurking throughout the instruments. These germs could be associated with different kinds of infections and allergic disease. The researchers recommend that wind instruments be sterilized regularly and before new players start using them. And finally, new moms have a busy schedule, but if they're not ready to get pregnant again, they should put another item on their to-do list. In the journal Obstetrics and Gynecology, researchers looked at earlier studies to see when new moms who aren't breastfeeding start to ovulate again, which sets the stage for another pregnancy. They found that most of these women won't ovulate until 6 weeks after they've had their baby, but some will ovulate sooner. A talk with your healthcare provider about contraception issues before baby comes is a good idea. I'm Dr. Cindy Haynes of Health Day TV with health news to help keep you healthy, happy, and safe.